To perform a VLOOKUP, find the formula by typing equals VLOOKUP. There are 4 sections you need to fill in for a basic VLOOKUP. First part is the value that is the unique ID in both data sets or tables. In this example, the customer number is what I will be looking for in both tables to return the receipt or company size. Second value needed is the table selection you are pulling the information you need from. Put $signs before and after each column letter to ensure when dragging the formula down, the table selection doesn't get altered. The third value is the column from the table you want to retrieve the information from. If you want receipts info, you would put 2. If you wanted company size, you would put 3 for the third column within the table. The last value will be true or false value. This lets the formula know if you want an exact match or not. For exact match, which is usually preferred, put false. After you enter, click the bottom right hand of the cell to copy the formula to the rest of your table.